Hello, my name is Hayden Llewellyn, Chief Executive of the EWC, that's the Education Workforce Council. We're due to consult on changes to the Code of Professional Conduct and Practice very shortly. In fact, we open the consultation on the 14th of September. We really want to hear from as many people as possible, and that's both our registrants, but also anybody else, members of the public, learners, parents, guardians. The code's important, and it has two uses. Firstly, it's there for our registrants so that they know what they can expect, what they need to do, and the judgments and behaviours that they should follow both in work and outside work on a daily basis. It's also there for the learners, for the public, for the parents, so they also know what they can expect of those registered with the EWC. So please take an interest. We'd be really pleased to hear from you. You can respond via our website ewc.wales. Thank you very much.